This is the TP-Link Archer C24 AC750 dual-band Wi-Fi router. I am resetting the router. In today's video, I will show you how to configure a TP-Link Wi-Fi router after a reset. This is a ONU. Now connect an Ethernet cable from the ONU to the router. Now go to your phone. This is a TP-Link router device. Connect now. Enter the password from the back of the router. The phone is now connected to the router's Wi-Fi. Now go to the internet browser. Search tplinkwifi.net. Create an admin password for your router. Tap Next. If you have an IPS connection, select the PPPoE connection type. Tap Next. Now you need to enter the username and password, which are provided by the internet service provider. Tap Next. Now you can change the Wi-Fi name and password if you want. Tap Next. Tap Next. The TP-Link Archer C24 Wi-Fi router setup is now complete. Now connect the phone to Wi-Fi using the new password you created. The phone is now connected to Wi-Fi. This is how you can configure the Archer C24 Wi-Fi router after resetting.